Go get him. He's gonna get him. Yeah. He sees him. And he's walk away. And he won't let him get him. And he's like being nonchalant about it. We gotta be very quiet in these wild creatures. They're kind of scarce. Oh no. I think they spot me. No, we gotta be very quiet. Because they might attack. Now let's go in closer. And see what he's doing. He might have something. He might have caught something. Oh no! He spot me. Now these creatures are very unpredictable, but amazing creatures. Yeah. See, they attack me! Come here, fella. Ah! They attacked me again! Then he ran away. What a wonderful creature. Fascinating.